just left a listing appointment and I was discussing staging the home with the seller. And the sellers are always like, I don't want to spend that money. Who cares? It's my furniture in here. They're not getting the furniture with the house. And the buyers care. They do care because it gives them a better feeling. It's a better presentation when the entire place is staged, it's put together. You're going to sell that house faster. You're going to sell it for more money. And if you don't believe me, think about this. Those big builders have model homes, and those model homes are staged because the builders have figured out they will sell that home faster and they will get top dollar for it if it's staged. If you go in the model home, you're going to have this amazing feeling. You can just picture yourself drinking coffee at the table that they have provided or sitting down on the sofa watching TV with your family. Go in that same exact floor plan without it being staged, and you won't have that same feeling. So, stage your house. So if you don't stage the house and it takes you longer to sell that property, or you have to drop your price, give some closing costs, concessions, then really, how much did staging actually cost you? Chances are it's going to cost you more than the staging would have. So why should you listen to me? Well, because I've been selling houses for, oh my gosh, 13 years, and it's proven itself time and time again.